In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply your Temu credit. Whether you're a seasoned pro at online shopping or just starting out, applying credit to your purchase is a handy way to make the most of your online shopping budget. So, let's dive right in and get started with these step-by-step instructions. First, you're going to want to open up the Temu app on your device. Make sure you're logged in to your account. If this is your first time logging in, you'll need to enter your email and password. For everyone else, just click on that app icon, and it should take you straight to your home screen. Being logged in ensures you have access to your Temu account and any credits you may have. Next, you need to start shopping. This is the fun part where you get to add items you love to your shopping cart. Browse through the categories, or use the search bar if you're looking for something specific. When you find something you like, click on it to see more details. If you think it's the right choice for you, go ahead and add it to your cart. Once you're satisfied with the items in your shopping cart, it's time to head to the checkout page. You can do this by clicking on the shopping cart icon, usually found at the top right corner of the app. This will show you a list of all the items you've added so far. Have a quick review to make sure everything you want is included and that you're happy with the quantities. Now, here's where the magic happens. You'll see a section on this page for applying any coupon codes or credits. Select the option to apply your Temu credit. If you have credits available, you'll see an option to use them right away. Click on that option, and the credit will be applied to your total purchase amount, reducing your overall cost. Make sure your discount was successfully applied by double-checking the final total. If everything looks good, proceed to enter your shipping and payment information if you haven't saved them already. Double-check your address and payment method to avoid any mishaps. Once everything is set up, go ahead and click the Place Order button. This is the most satisfying step, where your order is finally confirmed. You'll likely receive a confirmation email or notification shortly after, detailing your purchase and the amount of credit you used. Congratulations, you've successfully applied your Temu credit to save some money on your purchase. If you have any questions or run into issues, Temu's customer support is always there to help you out. Thank you for watching, and happy shopping with Temu.